Welcome back to my channel, Trip Wanderlust. For those constantly searching for offbeat weekend destinations, in this video let me show you around Fort Raichak. It is about 55 kilometers from Kolkata and it takes about a 2 hours drive. It is a part of Raichak on Ganges, a 100-acre complex housing many resorts like Ganga Kutir, Ffort Raichak and many more. The moment you pass under the fort's arch, you get a feel of royalty. The entire facade is made of old narrow bricks, typical of historic forts. Fort Raichak is an ancient fort by the river from the times of British rule, which is now converted to a hotel. A British general used to stay here with his family. It is said that this fort was built in the year 1783 to stop the entry of pirates. The entire place has plenty of greenery and manicured landscape to soothe your eye. It has a spa, pool, cycling, riverside walk, paddle boating, and many other adventure activities. It also has 3 restaurants, Reflections, Sonar Tori, and the Orient. The dining experience of Reflection promises a beautiful view of the river, especially during sunset. Let me take you to Sonar Tori for a beautiful Bengali lunch experience. The interior of this place takes you back to rural Bengal. And to add to the aura, there are plenty of paintings and posters of archival value adorning the walls. I found a lot of items from the past of reminiscent value. Their Zamindari and Gramin thalis is packed with exotic Bengali spread. I love the earthly vibe this place had, and the thali was heavenly. Clearly, this place is an ode to the culture Bengal is celebrated for, the land of art and aesthetics. I chose to stay in the superior garden view room, inclusive of breakfast, lunch and dinner. Every room here has a beautiful view of the garden and the river. You can just sit in the balcony and watch time pass by. Being a history buff, I love the mini museum here. It had collection of the East India Company stamps, coins, letters, photos and even guns. It is a great place to relax, unwind and take pictures. It will take you almost half a day to see around the entire property. No matter where you're staying, you're free to take a stroll and check out the other properties. If you ask me to describe this place, I would say it's a very peaceful, serene, away from the hustle bustle of the city. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave your comments in the comment sections below. It's your words of appreciation which keeps me going. Until the next time, bye bye.